Do you know about Amazon's secret departments? You can save serious money on Amazon if you just know where to click. So, let me show you where to click. Let's do this.
Break it down now, phone, gadget, apps, it's the TechieGuy, yeah.
Okay, you know that I buy a load of gadgets for this channel. You guys asked me to go review a certain Wi-Fi router and off I go and buy it. So my friends and my wife actually said to me, how do you afford to buy all these items all the time? And when I tell them, their reaction is typically, wow, I had no idea this even existed. Look, if I'm gonna spend money on something, then I might as well get it at the best possible price. I'm sure you guys do the same, right? So this is gonna save you big bucks, but I take no responsibility if you'll end up buying all these extra bits and pieces because they're so cheap. And with that in mind, let's do this. All right, first up, the Amazon outlet. Now, just like a regular outlet mall, Amazon has an outlet department. In this outlet department, sellers can sell their overstock or excess inventory items. These typically are heavily discounted as sellers just want to get rid of their stock. Now, a pro tip right here, the best time to get into the Amazon outlet department is right after a big sale or a big holiday. Think like Christmas and Valentine's Day, Black Friday. When those sales are done on the main pages, stuff gets shipped over to this department and you snag it at even better prices. Let me show you how to get there. Right, link to the Amazon outlet will be available in the description of this video. You can simply click on that, but check all these categories. Each one has got amazing deals. Let's go into something like PC and camera and see what they've got to offer today. As we scroll down, there we go, already 40% off a keyboard. You get $15.59 for this keyboard just by being in this department. What else have we got that we can show you? So let's scroll up. A couple of my favorites are obviously the electronics department. Let's go into there, see if there's anything exciting today. Okay, check this out. A cell phone holder and looks like a charger. No, just a cell phone holder. 67% off. Get this little baby for 10 bucks. Cool department to keep your eye on. $10 and under. Bestsellers, an overstock deal. Here's where you can really find some good information, good bargains to be had. Scroll down. Oh, look at this. 50% off a kid's robotic toy. Just by being right here. Okay, next up, the Amazon Renewed department. I have bought so many items from this section, it's actually ridiculous. We know that Amazon has a pretty great return policy. You buy stuff, it doesn't fit, you bought the wrong thing, off it goes back, and now Amazon can't sell this as a brand new item anymore. So what do? Well, off it goes to the Renewed department. This is where each item that was previously bought and returned for whatever reason gets inspected, gets tested, gets cleaned, and it looks and works brand new. The product may be shipped in like a generic box rather than the original box. It will come with all the accessories, and if it doesn't, it will let you know that this item is missing X. And then of course, the price comes down even more when that happens. Now the best bit is when you get the Amazon Renewed product, you also get the Amazon Renewed Guaranteed. That means that you're eligible for a replacement or a refund within 90 days of receiving the product if it doesn't work. Now, on top of that, it also comes with Amazon's regular return policy, so nothing to lose here. So if you need some home security cameras, well, they're available here. So before you look elsewhere, an action cam is available here, and again, at a nice discount prices. Scroll down, see what else we can find. In fact, let's go scroll through this department. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to see the smartphone. Now, this is where you can really pick up some nice phone deals. So check this out, a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, instead of $499, $274 just by being right here. Okay, next up, Amazon coupons. Now, well, doesn't really take much of an explanation. A coupon is a coupon. Basically, it's a discount on the items you normally would buy. Typically, it's things like 25% or like some percentage value, and other times it may be even $1 a month, save $7 on whatever. The great discounts you get are on things like household items and groceries, like dog food and batteries and some detergents. You know what? You can spend 20 bucks extra and not go to the coupon section, but hey, 20 bucks in your pocket to buy something you really want is much better than throwing 20 bucks away. Okay, next up, just for Prime. Now, so many Amazon shoppers are also Amazon Prime members. Typically, the value that people see is the free shipping, but there's so much more for being a Prime member. Most people don't take advantage of everything. I'm not going to focus on that, but the one thing I will focus on is the just for Prime department. This is where Prime discounts and deals are shown, exclusive deals for Prime members. Now, you can browse through this, you can look at the popular sections and other departments from apparel, jewelry, home improvement, and my favorite, the wireless. Next up, device deals. Now, this is an entire page. It's pretty dangerous for your wallet, so I do warn you, but Amazon has a device deals page. It shows you all the deals that you're going to get on tech items and gadgets. Now, there are some serious discount here, and making kind of hitting the add to cart button a little bit too attractive in my opinion. Browse with caution. Right, let's have a look what we can see on the Amazon device deals page today. Oh, already I can spot for $90, that's 40% off a 24-inch Fire TV Edition Smart TV, $90, not bad at all. Okay, what else we see? Okay, some smart home Wi-Fi stuff. 20% off the Amazon Liron Pro Mesh WiFi system for $255. Cool. Whole bunch of, in fact, go up to the top. On the left-hand side, you got a little bit of a menu. You can divide up into tablets, Fire TV, blah, blah, blah. But the one I'm interested in is the smart home section. Let's click on that, see what we can pick up today. Now, this is a really, really good place to be, especially as you're trying to upgrade your home, making your home a smart home. Why pay the full big bucks when you can scroll down into this department and look at everything from plugs and outlet to smart kitchen, vacuums and mops, and of course, my favorite section, which has to be the Wi-Fi stuff. And the reason I say it's my favorite, because a lot of people are currently upgrading from their old Wi-Fi 5 routers to Wi-Fi 6. Why pay the full price when you can pick up a nice deal to be had right on this page? Spend some time and you will find it. Now, before you shop away, very important to know that firstly, all the links will be in the description below, but always, always, always do your homework. Sometimes a deal that looks good because it happens to be on a certain page might not be the best deal. So obviously do your research, make sure you check that out. And speaking of checking out, check out these tips and tricks video over here. Hit the head below to subscribe if this is your first time here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in those videos. Let's go. Happy shopping.